This is Dr. Bhupesh once again from Dr. BKM Institutes. Our number is +917696734256. And today, this is the letter that we have done note to earlier. It has been done very recently. So we will do it again because it helps us to revise. So this is very important. This is the second class of the day. Grammar video I would upload. This is the second video of today, and that would be the writing video. Using the information in the case notes, write a letter to Helen Walker, Director of Osteoporosis Victoria. So always आप लेटर किसको लिख रहे हो? डायरेक्टर को लिख रहे हो. कहाँ का डायरेक्टर है? ओस्टियोपोरोसिस विक्टोरिया का. Second thing we always study is discharge plan, because discharge plan means purpose of the letter, but in this particular letter it has also given the requirements. So this is also the purpose of the letter. So let us see the requirements. So requirements are: patient, so you just have to put is. Patient is concerned about further falls, fractures, effect of osteoporosis on lifestyle. So that means we are writing the letter to Osteoporosis Victoria. So that means this is the keyword. This is the main word. So we have to write about the effects of osteoporosis. Then the second point, patient education. So you just need to put patient needs education. Again, the same concept. So you put patient ko chahiye, patient needs. Otherwise, you can say patient requires. So that makes it simple. RE means always regarding. Patient needs regarding का मतलब about, उसके बारे में. So patient requires education about. Patient requires education regarding causes of osteoporosis, importance of medications, diet. So main word again is causes and effect. So if I have to summarize this thing in my first paragraph, I would say I'm writing this letter regarding this and this, who has been diagnosed with osteoporosis. So he requires education regarding the causes and effects of osteoporosis on lifestyle, on osteoporosis on his life, as well as on his life, उसकी life पे इन सब का क्या effect है? Causes of osteoporosis and effects of osteoporosis. Even if you say on his life रहने दो, effects of osteoporosis as well as, और इसके अलावा क्या चाहिए? As well as regarding other लाइफस्टाइल मॉडिफिकेशंस. सो इस वर्ड में सब कुछ कवर हो जाएगा, डाइट, एक्सरसाइज. So basically lifestyle modification. So this word will cover everything. So I'm writing this letter regarding this and this person, who has been recently diagnosed with osteoporosis. So he requires education regarding the causes and effects of osteoporosis, as well as regarding other lifestyle modifications that he needs to make. Modifications को make किया जाता है, so he needs to make. So that is my first paragraph. बाकी discharge plan में let's see what other things are important. Patient has been commenced, so this is not important. Osteoporosis Victoria, again we have to select the data according to osteoporosis Victoria. So this is not about osteoporosis, this is not about osteoporosis. So patient needs to attend osteoporosis counselor. So basically patient needs to attend your counselor. So this is very important to change. Never write Victoria counselor because they are saying the same word. They are exactly the same word. So always replace this word with your, because हम letter उन्हीं को लिख रहे हैं, तो it is हम उन्हीं को लिख रहे हैं. So your counselor, patient needs to attend your counselor for education and seminar on osteoporosis. So this we will mention in the last seminar, education and seminar on osteoporosis. So this we will write in the last. So in the first paragraph, that would be fine जो हमने ऊपर लिखा है. So whatever we have written above is fine for the first paragraph. This is for the last paragraph, for education and this. Your counselor for education and seminar on osteoporosis. So this is how it will go. Now we will go above to the above letter, to the above place. Mr. Cameron is a patient in your care, 52-year-old. 8 days he stayed with us. So I'm writing this letter regarding this person who was admitted 8 days ago. Today's date is 18th. So who was admitted 8 days ago due to severe fracture of right shoulder. You don't have to write this. Due to severe fracture of right shoulder after a fall. This word has been given wrong, so after a fall. Yeah, after falling. So first, again, I'm repeating this sense. I'm writing this letter regarding Mrs. Cameron, who was admitted to our hospital 8 days ago due to severe fracture of right shoulder after falling. If you want to write, then you can write, but it is not important while walking dog. This is not important, but after falling, she was admitted. So DEXA, skip hand and lumbar spine bone density. So DEXA hip scan was done, in which bone density was found, हमारे द्वारा पाई गई, was found to be substantially reduced, and she was diagnosed with early osteoporosis. So don't use the word diagnosis here, use the word here. एडमिट इस कारण से हुई और ये हुआ. अगर आपको लिख के दिखाना है, मैं लिख के दिखा देता हूँ फटाफट. मिसेस कैमरॉन who was admitted to our hospital due to, so you just word due to severe fracture of right shoulder after falling while walking dog. So इस कारण से, so DEXA scan was conducted या was done, जिसमें, in which it was found ये पाया गया कि it was found that her bone density had substantially reduced. छोटा सा had आपकी सारी बात बता देगा. And she was diagnosed with early osteoporosis. She was diagnosed with early osteoporosis. अब now इसका और भी logical हो जाएगा. Hence, because she is a case of osteoporosis, hence she is being referred under your expertise, means because you are an expert of, हम लिखना चाहते हैं you are an expert of osteoporosis, so she is being referred under your expertise to provide, that is how the first paragraph will go, to provide education regarding causes and effects of osteoporosis. This would be my final first paragraph regarding causes and effects of osteoporosis. So this would be my first genuine nice paragraph. Final paragraph would be this one. I am writing this letter regarding Miss Cameron, who was admitted to our hospital 8 days ago due to severe fracture of the right shoulder after falling while walking dog. So DEXA scan was done, in which it was found that her bone density had substantially reduced. Simple. And she was diagnosed with early osteoporosis. Hence, she is being referred under your expertise to provide education regarding causes and effects of osteoporosis. So this is the perfect thing to be written. Done. तो मेन बात हमने ये की है कि बोन डेंसिटी कम हो गई है, हमें डेक्सा स्कैन से पता लगा है, और अर्ली ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस का केस है और फ्रैक्चर हो गया है. So the second paragraph to continue with the fracture, if social background history is not required, so now I will say Mrs. Cameron after admission was, क्या प्रोवाइड किया उनको, इंसर्शन ऑफ, सो मिस्टर कैमरॉन, या ये कह सकते हैं आफ्टर एडमिशन, सिंपल, सो विल मेक इट सिंपल, आफ्टर एडमिशन metal plate was inserted, so that is the second paragraph. Metal plate was inserted to stabilize the right shoulder. So then I would write about this thing कि this was done to stabilize the right shoulder. फिर आप ये कहोगे full stop. After that, that is how you connect. After that, she had routine post-operative recovery. That is how you make it simple. You go flow by flow. After admission, metal plate was inserted to stabilize her shoulder. Simple. Her shoulder. यहाँ पे आ गया her shoulder. बिल्कुल ठीक है. फिर after that, she had routine post-operative recovery. and wound got healed, so the sutures were removed. हमारे द्वारा रिमूव कर दी गई, तो ये पैसिव। जो एक्टिव चीज है उसको लिखते हैं गोट में। वुंड अपने आप हील होता है, वो हमारे द्वारा नहीं किया जाता। इट इज एन ऑटोमेटिक प्रोसेस ऑफ द बॉडी। सो यू से वुंड हील हो गया। होने की इंग्लिश मैंने आपको बार बार बताई है, गोट। सो द वुंड गोट हील्ड, इस कारण से। सो ये कनेक्टर सही जगह पे लगना। तो एंड द वुंड गोट हील्ड, सो द सूचर्स वर रिमूव। तो ये छोटा सा कनेक्टर लगाना आपकी इंग्लिश को, उसको और अच्छा बनाता है। ऑल्सो शी वॉज कमेंस्ड ऑन फिजियोथेरेपी। That is how you write simply. Also, she was, yeah, also की जगह if you want to write along with that. Along with that. So you can put the right connector easily. जो आपको easy लगता है. She was commenced on physiotherapy. Physiotherapy. Mrs. Cameron. So you can put this word just as to change. Miss Cameron. Or you can put the connector besides. If you want to talk something else. Besides, she was depressed. सब कुछ past में चल रहा है. She was depressed. Again, the last time also we discussed question mark दिया है osteoporosis, which past में may को लिखते हैं might, which might be. So may is replaced by might in the past, which might be जो हो सकता है. So besides, she was depressed, which might be due to diagnosis of osteoporosis. प्लीज एक एक बात को समझो. दिस इज वाई OET इज वेरी सिंपल बट एट द सेम टाइम रिक्वायर्स योर केयर. सो आई हैव पुट एवरीथिंग आफ्टर. सो आई हैव कंबाइंड ऑल दिस थिंग after admission, because in the first paragraph I could not talk about the insertion of metal plate because वो बहुत ज़्यादा clumsy हो जाता. So in the first paragraph I talked only the things which were really important. The thing that was important was osteoporosis. So I talked about this thing, so she is being referred under your expertise. But I missed out this line metal plate. So straight away the second paragraph I wrote, after admission metal plate was inserted. After that she had this routine post-operative recovery यहाँ से लिया, and wound got healed, so the sutures were removed. So everything is in the queue. Along with that, she was commenced on physiotherapy. Besides, she was depressed, which might be due to the diagnosis. Besides, जब मेरा पहली वाली लाइन से दूसरी चीज मैच नहीं कर रही, फिजियो से there is no comparison of this line depression का. So besides, she was depressed, which might be due to the diagnosis of osteoporosis. फिर अपना next paragraph, that is almost the last paragraph or the third paragraph or fourth paragraph, so that you can start. Now how to start the third paragraph? So you will say now. Now, that is third. Now Mrs. Cameron is depressed. तो आप यहां से is concerned, sorry, is concerned. तो डिप्रेस वाली लाइन हमने खत्म किया है पहले कि वो डिप्रेस थी. नाउ शी इज कंसर्न्ड about further falls and fractures. Along with this, she also has concerns about effect of osteoporosis on her lifestyle. Further, she requires education regarding the causes of osteoporosis along with the importance of medications, diet. So छोटा सा connector along with. So patient requires education regarding causes of osteoporosis. तो education किसके चाहिए? For the causes of osteoporosis along with importance of medications, diet and exercise. So also along with this या फिर further she needs to attend. So only put needs. Further she needs to attend your counselor for the educational seminar on osteoporosis. Now the last paragraph. Hence she is being referred under your expertise to provide education on osteoporosis as well as to help her as well as to assist her in reducing her worries. Full stop. Next paragraph जो count नहीं होता, so this will not be counted. The last paragraph, should you require further information, this would not be counted. So above this, everything will be counted in the words, so you would be able to complete all your words. So that is how you should complete the whole letter. Again, it is very boring as well as very easy to listen, but if you would listen to me and will write a letter side by side in the same way, अगर आप मेरा कॉपी करके सुन के लिखोगे, if you will copy and write what you listen in this recording of video, when you will read the writing 3 times, it will make you much better. You will be able to realize small commas, everything. So please try to write at times when you have time. जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ उसको लिख के भी देखो, फिर उसको बार बार पढ़ोगे, you will find certain things कि goat कहाँ पे लगा, passive voice कहाँ पे लगा, was found कहाँ पे लगा. So these small things makes a huge difference. Is it okay for everyone? Any doubt? I'm going to ask you. I will unmute you and will stop the recording. This is Dr. Bhupesh once again from Dr. BKM Institutes. Our contact number again is +917696734256. Thank you.